We have the alt season coming. You want to know everything about that and the last information in the crypto world? Yes, then smash the like button. This is time for crypto in crypto news, where the market is going down. Today, remember, we have not just crypto news found on the right, but also AI news, where you have the whole information about artificial intelligence. Go there right now, follow us on social media, AI news, so you are up to date. But now for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, what's going on in the market? After we had the ETF approval, we compare the situation with gold, we compare the situation with the Fed cuts, and also with some other stuff, bad stuff, the gap CME futures, also the futures of CME and CBOE on Bitcoin in the past, in 2017, and how Bitcoin went down. Then what's going on with mining, and also with the halving, and how this might change everything. We told you about the Bybit card, which is awesome, and now they have a new promotion for gasoline, and I'm going to try it just today. So we'll have that 5% cash back, among many other things that we are testing, and we'll tell you in a new video. But if you want to learn about that, watch the dedicated videos about Bybit's card, and use the link in the description below and get up to 25 euros more than those advantages and that 5% cashback on gasoline. And then we created yesterday's videos about how the elections in United States, the presidential elections, affect the market, and also is a variable that we need to consider. So watch that video too. And here we have all those variables in this trading view chart. But today we're gonna watch them not for Bitcoin. This is not Bitcoin, but the altcoin market. And we'll see what about that. What about Donald Trump and the elections? Well, right now, Donald Trump is using also ordinals in order to sell the NFTs. So you can see he hated Bitcoin. Yesterday, he said he will not allow the CBDC in United States if he's a president. And now he's using ordinals for making money. So a pro-crypto new president. And we're going to tell you also not just about this, how this affects altcoins and Ethereum, but also what about the halving and those phases, and how those affect Ethereum and the altcoins, of course. If you want to know, just stay till the end of this video, because we'll tell you everything about that. But first things first, let's watch Bitcoin going down the line that we didn't want to lose, and we're going south. Maybe because we topped the middle range for Bitcoin, maybe because dollar is going up strong, and maybe because of the CME gaps in the 4-hour chart that we follow in previous videos. But if you are sad, if you are scared, do not be, because Jim Cramer said that Bitcoin is keep on going lower, and he's the counter indicator, as you know. And we still have this ETF effect with some news today. Bitwise Bitcoin ETF amasses 307 million in assets under management within its first 4 days of trading. Wall Street giant Fidelity now holds 20,000 Bitcoin worth over $800, and BlackRock Bitcoin ETF now holds 25,067 Bitcoin worth over $1 billion. So Eric Balchuna says another way of watching this is that even after 4 days, 2 of them are in the top 5 of the ETFs, and 3 of them in the top 10. So we have interest out there. Even for Uber, they say that they are going to use Bitcoin. They will use that cryptocurrency in the future. So interesting. Also, that Tether is buying in the dip. So is it a good moment for buying? Well, Tether USDT believes that it's a good opportunity. And Red Capital here coming into the first main topic today, the halving, saying that this macro diagonal is continuing to act as a resistance. So we may have some months still going down with the line. But those are the buying opportunities. You are going to ask me in some times, in some months, is now the moment for buying? Now might be the moment for buying. This is not, of course, financial advice. I'm not expert anyways. But you can see that often Bitcoin offers a pre-halving retrace, and it might be not as bad as we had in 2020, but still a good opportunity. And now for those 5 phases that we have for the halving on Bitcoin, you can see here from Red Capital that mostly at the beginning we still have, in these 90 days we have left 30 of them. We might go down as we went here. This happened in 2016 too. And then we have 60 days rising because of the buy the rumor, sell the news. Then a little bit before we will go down or flat. And after the halving, we go flat in a reaccumulation phase for some time. And then we might bounce in this line, we break it and go to new all-time highs. So those are the phases of the halving. Hopefully this time we will take some profits. We want to take profits, but then we think, well, it can keep on going higher, like a 10x, and we don't sell. Well, this time we are gonna sell a little bit. And I know we expected Bitcoin to just pump like crazy with the ETF, and it didn't. But after a little bit, after a while, second week, third week, our experts here are telling us with this experiment how, with other variables like the halving event, also elections, also the Fed and the rises or cuts of those rates, it's going to affect the market. And finally, we will go like crazy. 1 month left after the halving. It's going to go parabolic crazy mode, hopefully. So you can see a representation here of the situation. We might be in the second advance for the parabolic mode. So we can go down, up, down, and then crazy up, as we did here in this cycle, and we did here in this cycle, and we did here in this cycle. Why would this time be different? Ethereum and the altcoins, let's talk about that. Ethereum going down maybe to this point in the 2,400 right now. Thing is, we had this bad communication from the SEC and Gary Gensler that they are rejecting right now the ETF for Ethereum. At least they need more time, so we now have to wait till March, May, even the end of this year. So the market is going down, altcoins are going down too, and we are neutral, coming to fear in a psychological topic. In any case, consider that we might go up, but with these ups and downs, as the market makers provide liquidity to the market by liquidating retail. So be careful, you out there, especially if you trade. A good thing in United States is that you are not going to need to say if you are having crypto among $10,000. That was the idea, but they changed their mind. You have all this and more information in this YouTube channel, CL Crypto. I'm going to leave you the link in the description below. And remember, for your tax that you need coin tracking, link in the description below with a 10% discount. That's the one that I use. In Fun on the Right, where we are going to tell you today more than just what happened with the halving in these altcoins. Now what happened with the elections and with the halving and with the comparison with 2016 and with comparison with the futures in the CME in 2017 and with the cut of those rates that we had in 2019. What is going to happen with the altcoin world and the alt season? Well, here you can see from Stock Money Lizards this thought. Everything happens in cycles. We are right now in the pre-halving area, and the alt season, if you are wondering, has been triggered in the past in 2016 and 2020 by the Bitcoin halving. So this might happen also after April 2024. And here you can see not for Bitcoin, but for the altcoin as a whole without Bitcoin, how they reacted to these variables we are watching. For example, for the futures of Bitcoin approval, well, we started going down also with altcoins. What about the Fed cut for the rises? We went down, the same as with Bitcoin. In the number 4, should be a number 3, we have the halving event. In the halving event, you can see that we went up in this time, and here too. And also for the elections, variable number 4 right now, you can see that after that and before that we were going flat, but then we went up, flat and up, and now we might be doing the same. So here you have those scenarios from the moment we are right now. If we follow past situations, we might go down even to $1,000 or less, or more than that. Crazy things happen in crypto. And then we might be up in the halving. We might be like terrible or doing good. And then we might go crazy for those altcoins. What about just Ethereum? Well, mostly the same, down with the futures, down with the Fed, and then up due to the halving situation, and also because of the elections. But you can consider some small differences here with Bitcoin. We have those similarities, and this is that you can see an explosion of those crazy altcoins and Ethereum after the halving. So that would be similar. But here you can see how when we have the halving, we go down maybe harder than we do with Bitcoin. So any case, yeah, we have to wait with Bitcoin. We have to wait with altcoins also. And in the future, maybe here you have Ethereum. We have Ethereum in $30,000 or even $200,000. Why not? Dreaming is free, and we can do that. Here, the Scalping Pro telling us that the altcoin really has not even started. We are early. We are here. We need to wait for that all-time high in 2025, and we will go down and up and down and up and down and up. That's our reality. Today we have some news for Ethereum. The idea is that you can have a validator with MetaMask. So if you have 32 Ethereum, you can use MetaMask right now. It's so convenient. You don't need special hardware, software, but they are going to have 10% of your reward. So you might make 3.4%, but they are going to have a 10%. So people says that this is too expensive. Probably you prefer Lido if you don't have those 32, or even with the 32 Ethereums, as we told you how to stake here. Or if you have the 32, probably you took the time to know how to validate, and you are validating it yourself, so you don't lose that 10%. And now for our sponsor, CoinW. Thank you very much for bringing just all this information for free to the riders, and also providing us good promotions for buying crypto and trading crypto. You have the link in the description below. You help the channel. Thank you very much. And you have this $30,000 pool that you can be part of. And also you have the new campaign we have for these new years, where you can share a pool of 12,000 USDTs. And for the cat section, this pro drinking crypto video after video, learning how to do that. I've never seen a cat doing something like this. Just a pro. And what about this guy telling you all about bad love and crazy girls, just asking for your help? Please, I wanna leave this woman. She's crazy. What about this other one? This is not love, this is obsession. Leave me alone. I can't. I just love you too much, as these two can be separated even for a second, and they are so cute. But careful, do not love too much Bitcoin or crypto, because it might fall and break your heart. We'll see in next videos. Remember to keep on learning with AI in AI news, and keep on learning with us here about crypto. Fun on the ride with one of these two videos. Health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the